So why don't we start with who you are and what your product does?
Yeah, so I'm Jacob, and I work with the account management team at Big Time Software. And Big Time, it's a time and billing software geared towards professional service firms. So not your typical kind of time and billing software either. A lot more than just your time tracking and your invoicing. Like we have a lot of accounting firms that use us also for the practice management aspect of the firm as well. So they have their clients in there, able to create different engagements specific to their clients, whether they're just quick one-off engagements, something like a tax return, or maybe recurring engagements, something that they need to do on an ongoing basis, like their payroll or bookkeeping engagements. But being able to track and manage those within the software, like who's working on them, where they at in the process, using our workflow management, but also when they're due, so client due date tracking, all while being able to track time against that, maybe even some minimal expenses that accounting firms typically have, but then being able to produce invoices based off of that, send those invoices over to QuickBooks, whether the desktop or the online version. That way you're able to get kind of that full circle type of reporting, not just on your client realization as to which clients are you writing up or writing down the lease, but also getting a lot of good reporting on staff kind of utilization or performance, being able to pinpoint what staff members are best at doing certain types of services. Maybe you have those star employees that do very well when it comes to their tax returns, but when it comes to bookkeeping, maybe Susan might be better and might be able to get those out the door kind of more quickly, more efficient, while making the firm the most margin. So
it helps with resource allocation, sort of?
Yes, without a doubt. So getting a lot of that real-time reporting and analytics, that way able to see not just kind of the downtime within the company, but during the busiest time of the year, kind of how everyone's doing, how everyone's performing on the staff or also that client level.
Awesome. And you mentioned that there is some special pricing for accountants as well?
Yeah, so we love working with all professional service firms, like architects, engineers, marketing, IT service firms, but especially accounting firms as well. Just find them to be a great source of referrals. So right off the bat, we offer CPAs a 20% discount, and they can actually earn up to 40% off with making an annual payment as well. So always love working with accountants and rolling out like a new kind of marketing partnership type of program, as our accounting firms, as they refer more business to Big Time, we always like to show our appreciation, whether it's free Big Time accounts or X amount off on their subscription and such.
Excellent. And where can people find out more about you and your products?
Yeah, so definitely at bigtime.net. That's just bigtime.net. We offer free 14-day trials, also personalized demonstrations as well, that you are always assigned an account manager or rep, and we take a very kind of consultative one-on-one approach to make sure that we're truly the right fit for your firm or your clients' firms.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.